I know this week video was sponsored by Big Papa. Someone I them remember it's all about November the 29th. Place to be. Sherwood Forest Community Center. Big Papa present a thing called the throwback. You see me I say? Yeah, 6-a-side football and a bag of things are going in idea. You see me I say 6 bad sound a string up. You don't know thing called Ghetto Hero. Crazy vibes. Sound stream, sound exclusive, RCS, thing called the King Thunder. So who can reach? So may I say, yeah, Big Papa, big up yourself. Big up the whole of Sherwood Community Center, Yeah. So people, remember, November the 29th, Sherwood Community Center. And that's the way I got there. Media coverage, all courtesy of DJ Crazy, So, our fans them roll out at the party, roll out and give us support.
When it's so nice, If them are sound and play them amount of bass, why build outside box with bass? That's that one though. Ooh, they have no outside bass box, bro. That will never happen. So you're different. Cause you don't care with the way. You don't want no outside bass. Absolutely, man. Outside bass, what if an engineer there, The money kind of look dear as a road.
And this our ecstasis. want to mix. I want to have sound amps plus car amplifier. By D-Max. CVR, dear CVR. Yeah. And the big boys them. Yeah. So small sound them I know. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I smile second class. Why name it general? Laser Force. Step up there.
What?
Yeah, man. Good. Alright, great money green. See that?
Check. Hey, you don't know skip. Ultimate. I want to determine the class of the song. Because this is how they have a phone coming up to me. And the other side. So I want to determine the class. What are they doing in the class? So that's the base determine the class. I ask you. 63.
Bad influence.
Where I said general, me there man, me there.
Yeah, man.
I know.
Sorry, man. That.
Check that shit. You say you got for the kilogram. So, alright. Take care. Alright. Go on. Let's see a kilogram. Let's see. Go on.
My name.
45 cars so.
You hear that 45 cars so.
Your pussy tight is like the rocking at the seat. She did.
major song. No pussyters. Hey, 45 car song. I want to know the type of color represent for 45 years. What is your need?
Still not set up. I need a big pop. Yeah. Laser force. Easy and crazy. Oh, by us now we have a big boy. Ultimate warrior play now. People with that Port Maria KR mobile sound.
I saw baseline for sound. Bad influence, tell them say I saw bass for sound. Bad influence, I play sweeter. The baseline just move the Richter scale meter. You hear me now, no father deep. Why you know? Mute everything else. Just only play the tweeter. I saw tweeter for sound. Side for sound. Tell them. I saw on and tweeter for sound. Yo, listen to clarity. Bad influence sound, don't pay for charity. This is a message to promoters worldwide. Try you run, come call way. Make sure you can pray way. Oh there, I saw sound for sound.
one intense.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. Watch out on the don't know the people, you're totally nice this. You come on the biggest clash in the world. Check. Mobile, Tsunami, clash. All who don't know me, don't know me now. See, the mommy said put things for people. Don't run up the people like Bill. Out a rubber dub Thursday. And alright? Alright. Don't come here, don't reverse and run up the man like Bill. Yeah. So we'll put the final things them together and just start the ball roll. See? We'll start from class 1 first. That's what the promoter said. Listen to me now, you must start with bass and a thing in quality. Bass and quality. Seeing you play the tune where you know say you tune up your sound pan that can get the best bass and the best quality you must know. So the promoter will work with. See, so class 1, line up on yourself because we're going at it right now. Stay around on the sound. And when we say sound check on the sound check, just tick 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 quick and fast then we're going at it. Yeah, the bass and the clarity is one thing, or a two tune them are going to play. Separately. So when you hear, just play a tune where you know you can get the best bass line, and then you play a tune where you know you can get the best quality from. See? So what we're going to do first? Clarity. Alright. So ready for start the ball and roll. Vice note, Puma, give me a sound check. Give me a sound check there, please. Sound check. Yeah. Let me hear way up your sleeve. Vice note, take it away, my brother. Put things from people. So now, so you know, I was still in a class too. Yeah. Word boss. Your time. You know, they take on word boss. Yeah. On a represent. Let me out there. I represented him. Word boss. Word boss.
You don't
time Mr. Eat representing for Viper Sound. Yo, Mr. J, you don't know it's a murder sound boy, and I'm not stopping up, Mr. Easy representing. You want Viper Sound, run the whole city like the whole place or the whole town, it's easy. Ooh, yeah. Viper Sound, Mr. J, straight R.I.P. Some boy can't test me. Viper can't make you cry. Next sound boy can't find. Some boy the trophy is mine. Mr. J, take your life away. Viper, I go take your bread today.
Alright, Viper, what up, where we have this? See, who we have next games?
Alright, so we're going to class 3 now, starting with Ultimate Warrior.
Class 3, Ultimate Warrior.
Representing for Kingston. Oh, him can't. Alright, so you know, it seems like class 3 sound them can't do no sound test now.
Why?
They say rain.
So
it needs more shutdown.
hold on.
Ultimate Warrior said them not take off the plastic. Come on, put your hands together for him. Alright, we'll move on. Alright, let's move on now to Mr. Dean Harris from Bad Influence Sound. Special award. Come on, put your hands together for him, man. Come on. These are special awards. He's getting a basket courtesy of Red Stripe, and he's also getting a trophy, all courtesy of Digital International. He is Digital Entertainment, and he is seen as a veteran in the business likewise. Put your hands together for him, for me, please. And he is a great supporter too to the Tsunami Mobile Clash World, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Dean Harris. Dean Harriet, sorry. Alright? So the next person is from the Voice Note Sound, and he is Owen Dixon. Where is he? Am I smiling so? Alright, so he is Mr. Owen Dixon. And of course, this is an award showing appreciation, all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. Congratulations. Put your hands together for him for me, please. Come on, you mean with a little clap than me? No, man. You don't do better than that, man. Thank you very much. Him having basket too. Alright? Our basket too. Give a shout out to the sponsors. Better Pack, Red Stripe, and of course we have Wisinko on board too.
Alright. What's another now?
One Owen Dixon.
like me writing him out there.
Alright? So we're going to move back to the Sound Veteran. A Sound Veteran, and this is indeed a great award. We're giving him a basket from Wisinko. He's getting a backpack from Better Pack. And a trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Martin Phipps.
Yes. Big up Mr. Martin, valuable contribution.
Of course, all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. You can't manage, sir? We better park. See, one next background here, sir, miss. One next background here. See it here? No, man, you say you can't hold it. Sometimes you put pressure upon them and then home. Yeah. Yes, right. You can't go by one side, you know. You can't go by one side, you know. Yeah, but I hear something old to my other side. I'm trying to. So Mrs. Phipps is added to the ball game. Alright, and this is all courtesy of Digital Entertainment. Put your hands together for the Phipps family. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Come, man. Hey, I said I'm not selling club them. Digital, we pay for them and I'm going to ask Christ. Alright, so we still have more. This time, of course, we want to give this one too. An MC who have represented and stand tall, and he has also been one that has been standing by the Tsunami Mobile Clash. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Christopher Benjamin.
Chris Cross.
AKA Chris Cross. Angry. Oh, in a government name? No. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chris Cross. And I name them no. Alright, so once again, all courtesy of Jerome Digital Entertainment, alright, and Mobile Tsunami.
Yeah, Chris Cross, get a dance for you. Yeah, you want it?
Alright, so of course, last year when we had the staging of the Tsunami Mobile Clash, there was an award to be presented that was not presented. It is for the second place in the top plate round. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nismo. Put your hands together for him. I'm alone there, I represent St. Mary now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an award that should have been handed over from last year. And he run go look food. Oh yeah, go on. You make it like a 2025 one. I know you get a 2025 one. Don't worry about it. He is Nismo. Nismo, listen, give it to somebody. And the sponsors are Better Park, Wissimco, and of course the Red Stripe. Put your hands together for Nismo for me, please. Digital, you have to go pay for some my club then.
One this day, one this day.
We have to go walk around and Alright, I don't want to look now, Metro.
Yeah, man, look good, man.
Alright.
Yeah, stop here now, man.
So
Ready?
we're going to class one way to clarity. Once again, big shout out to the sponsors who helped to make this possible. Wissimco, Better Park, and the Red Stripe. And of course, we have to give a big shout out to the Giant Complex, the entire Giant family, right?
Watching every sound man go around them sound, you know. Business time, you know. Every sound man go around them sound. See? Right now, we know where I go for now. Where I go for? Clarity
so we're
first.
starting with clarity. And the first sound going up is Legend Mobile from Outer St. Anne.
Watch out, people. Legend Mobile from St. Anne's. We are going for your thing named Clarity. Play the best tune where you have, where you know so you can get the best clarity, and the people are going to vote on that. We sound have the best clarity. People want to vote from an art without partiality. Clarity. Sound. When we say vote, we say vote. See? Alright. We are going for clarity.
Myself and make sure we are just the host.
Yeah.
The crowd will be the judge.
Who know the judges people from the art who just vote? Even if your Bridget come here tonight and them sound no sound good, nobody vote for you. If the next sound better than him, you just vote for the next sound. Anyway, so hear me I say, sister, you ready?
Go ahead.
Alright, give some more volume on the mic. Come over here, son, sis. Yeah?
No, I don't know what kind of body you have. I can't walk around in the area, but I don't promise you that. So you come over here, so.
Bruno, come up. Let me take out the song.
Alright, that's why I never really want to do that, you know, the clarity and the box them cover. It's like a
no man, I'm not talking about that. Oh. Over there, say, man, so that's not the big sound there. Ready now? Ready? Now she said clarity. See?
Alright, so this is it now. The sound is a Legend Mobile from Outer St. Anne. Let's go.
But selector play now.
Alright, so the songs I have, just in case I don't want to miss anybody for the vintage round. We have D-Max, Silly Benz Mobile, Bruno Mobile, Game Changer, Big Bad Under, Legend Mobile, Rum Please Mobile, 45 Car Sound, Amazon Mobile, Lisbo Mobile, World Boss, Bad Influence and Big Pop International. Nobody may name them, that's why I do that again. So if you don't hear your name, yeah, vintage.
Yes, brother.
If you don't hear your name, you can't link me. Alright. So again, if you didn't hear your song name, you can just link them and add it to the list quick and fast, alright?